Good morning. I'm Sarah Schwartz reporting for Channel 42 News. Here's a look at some of today's local headlines. Earlier today, a brave man on his way home from work heard the soft cries of a cat trapped in a gutter on the side of the road. Let's go to some footage of that brave rescue.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
What a truly touching moment that was. Let's go to some more of today's local headlines. This just in, shocking news of a hurricane breaking land on a town just south of us. I hear Michael Bryant is on the scene. What's going on there?
Thanks, Sarah. It's getting pretty bad out here. I'm being told winds are approaching 120 miles per hour. With that amount of wind, debris are starting to fly around. I just got word it's been upgraded to a Category 5 hurricane. One of the worst in recorded history.
Well, I sure hope that cat is okay. Join us tomorrow for more exciting news. Thank you from all of us at Channel 42 News for watching today.